I noticed on YouTube that there was no video showing how to take the panels off of a Pontiac Sunfire. This is a 2001 Pontiac. I've already put the aftermarket radio in. I had to, this is the old radio, and I had to troubleshoot to find out how to get the panel off, since they didn't show. Well, first I had to remove the cup holder. If you'll notice, there's a clip on the back side of the cup holder, and there's also on the sides there's clips too that slide in the bracket. Well, here's the bracket. And if you'll notice, you see what catches on that clip on the cup holder. Alright, you have a screw that goes in this side and in this side. But you can take those two screws out, but this bracket will not come off. If you'll notice, after you get the cup holder on, there's two screw holes on the back side, one here and one here, that connects to the bracket underneath. I don't know whether you can see that or not, but that's what holds it on. And these are the type screws you have to use. You have to use a 7mm wrench to get your hand in there to take these two screws out. That takes time. If you can get a 7mm socket, it would be a little easier. But that's it. These two screws on the bracket from inside the cup holder housing, and then the two screws on the front, and that's what holds the panel, the whole panel on. Then once you get the radio in, it's fairly simple. Most radios have the brackets. I had to put the face bracket, come with the face bracket. And this is a Kenwood. It's a nice one. Bluetooth, USB, and it fits perfectly, and it works perfectly. I will cut it on. Let's see here. The whistles and bells, I got the kit with the bells and the whistles.
When you visit grasshopper.com/radio, provides
very nice radio.
So you feel perfectly balanced.
And you got your USB connector,
how did they do that size box?
and it's Bluetooth. You can answer your phone. You have to program it. But I thought I would post this on YouTube to give a little better idea of how to get the panel off. And this is a 2001 Pontiac Montana extended band.
Right now, when you go to Casper.com/,
okay, have fun in your installation.
$50 on select mattresses.